Hi guys, I am Jisama from Madras Christian College, studying BSc Physical Education third year, department Physical Education department. So now I am going to teach about the mobility workouts. The first one is about arm reach. The first step in arm reach is about first we have to kneel down. First we have to kneel down our body. The first portion is to kneel down our body. Then we have to sit straight as a kneel down position. Then by the way we have to raise our hands near the ear level. So it should be near the ear level. So it will be very useful while doing the arm reach mobility stretching. So now I will do the demo. Okay. So this is the first workout in the mobility exercise. That one is the arm reach. Guys, the second workout is about the cat and cow. The cat and cow is the first thing is about we have to go for the doggy position or four-limb position. It's also known as the four-limb position. The doggy position this is the doggy position. The first thing I'm going to show about the cat position. While doing the cat position, we have to flex our back and exhale. While exhaling, we have to feel the core squeezing muscle, core squeeze muscle. And now, by the way, I am going to show the cow position. The cow position is about the extending our back. While extending our back, we have to inhale. So this will help to range of the motion. So by the way, the third workout is about deep squat. The deep squat is nothing but we have to go for the parallel position, according to the shoulder position. The deep squat is about we have to make sure that the knee should not cross our toe level. By the way, we have to push our butt and our back to the down, and we have to go more deeper, and we have to hold for 30 seconds. So by holding 30 seconds, the mobility and the flexibility, the inner muscles will be helpful while doing workouts. So the third workout is about the arching squat. The arching squat is nothing but it's like about a lateral squat. The legs wide open. The legs should be widely open. Then we have to go for the lateral squat. By the way, we have make sure that this leg should not cross the toe level. While going lateral squat, if we place the heel like this, our hamstring muscle will be working. If we place our toe like this, our adductor muscle will be working. So this is the archer squat for in the mobility workout. So it will be helpful for working on our leg muscles. So it will give the more flexibility and the motion for the workouts. So guys, this is the fifth workout in our mobility workouts. So this fifth workout is the lunge reach. The lunge reach is nothing about we have to do by the lunge position, and we have to rotate our hands by looking our neck and the palms while rotation. The first step of the lunge is we have to stand parallelly, stance. Then we have to go for lunge position. Make sure that we have to keep our leg forward. Then our back leg another leg should be in the 90-degree position. Make sure that we have to go for lunge position and place our both palm down. Place our both palm down, and the both palms should be very straight, and we have to rotate our same Here hand with the same motion. By facing the hand should be, we have to rotate. So this is the, in the left leg. So by the way, the changing in the right leg. While doing the lunge reach, we have to do with the same leg and the same hands. While doing the lunge reach, the hands should go straightly, and we have to face our hands like this. So this is about the lunge reach workout. This is the last workout in our mobility workout. So the mobility workouts are the workouts which can be helpful for the range of motion and the flexibility while doing workouts. So this will be helpful for like warm-ups. While doing warm-up, we can do these types of mobility workouts. So this can be helpful preventing injuries, and we can avoid injuries like that. So it will be very helpful now while doing workouts. So thank you guys.